Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Heroku CLI and deploy a web app easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Heroku CLI installed on your computer. You can download the installer from the Heroku website. Once the download is complete, run the installer by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Heroku version to verify that the Heroku CLI installed correctly. Next, log into your Heroku account by entering Heroku login in the terminal. A browser window will open, prompting you to enter your Heroku credentials. Once logged in, let's create a new Heroku app. Use the command Heroku create your app name, replacing your app name with your desired name. Heroku will generate a unique URL for your app. Now, navigate to your web apps project directory in the terminal. Ensure your project has a procfile that defines how to run your app. If your app is in Node.js, this often looks like web, node-index.js. Next, initialize a Git repository if you haven't done so by using Git init. Add your project files to the repository with git add. Commit your changes by executing git commit m initial commit. To deploy your app, push the code to Heroku using git push Heroku master. Wait for the deployment process to complete, this may take a moment. Once finished, you will see a message indicating the deployment was successful. To open your app in the browser, use the command Heroku open. Your web app should now be live and accessible via the provided URL. If you encounter any errors during the process, check the logs using Heroku logs tail. This will help you troubleshoot any deployment issues. Congratulations, your web app is now successfully deployed on Heroku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.